Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Panasonic GH5, and now I'm gonna show you all you need about Continuous AF. So Continuous AF, it's continuous autofocus, of course. So this setting, for example, when this feature is enabled, so the camera continuously adjusts focus while recording videos. So this can be useful for scenario where the subject of the distance between the camera and the subject is changing always, and ensuring that the subject remains in focus throughout the recording. But when it's disabled, so the camera maintains the focus at the point where it was set when recording started. It's not dynamic, so the focus remains fixed unless manually adjusted by the user during recorded, using the half press on the shutter button, for example. So for example, recording the dynamic videos on this camera, so I use Continuous AF. But if you use recording static video and you don't want to change the focus during the video, so just disable it, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.